At 9:30 p.m., a man in a black hoodie is seen entering the lot of a car dealership that is undergoing renovation. A stealth monitoring security operator is watching and activates the on-site speaker warning.
Warning! Warning! You have violated an area protected by a security system. The authorities have been notified. Leave immediately.
The suspect ignores the warning. The suspect breaks into the building. Moments later, he exits carrying a white bucket and some other construction materials that he appears to be stealing. Our trained operator calls the police. Responding officers scan the property, find their perpetrator, and make an arrest. Stealth monitoring, live video surveillance, and high-quality IP megapixel video offer an effective security solution. Our trained operators can watch your perimeter, parking lots, access points, buildings, and showrooms. When suspicious activity is noticed, we can activate speakers while communicating with authorities. We can also research hours of footage on your behalf. Contact Stealth Monitoring to help protect your shopping center or commercial property at stealthmonitoring.com or 1-855-STEALTH.